Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's a beauty subscription, a membership. They have the Glam Bag, which is $13 a month, and it includes 5 Sample Deluxe size products, and the Glam Bag Plus is $28 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. So I'm very excited to see the amazing things that this month brings for Ipsy. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here it is, and let's see the theme for this month. October 2021, Pretty Wicked, hashtag IPSYPrettyWicked. And it says, fangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional, vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black manis, and you just might band some more. This is like super cute. So I'm super excited to see the stuff for this month. It sounds pretty cool. And okay, so the first thing is, this is the Glam Bag, and it's just stunning. I love the little lips, the vampire teeth, and then it's like a leather texture and it feels amazing, and it's like super high quality. I love it. So let's see. I think all of the items for the Glam Bag are here this time. So I'm just gonna take it out one by one and see everything. The first thing is Arena Beauty. And I believe this is a lipstick. It says Guilty Pleasure Lip Gloss in the shade Guilty Pleasure. So let's see the color. Oh, nice. So it's like a nude gloss. It looks really nice. So I'm excited to try this out. Next, we have from the brand Y. And this is a detox shampoo, all hair types. This is amazing. And it says that wet hair, then lather up and rinse clean. Super cool. All right, next we have an eye primer. Okay, this is pretty awesome. This is from the brand M2U NYC. I have tried this brand before in eye products, and they were pretty good. So this is an eye primer. I usually don't do like specific eye primer. I do more like concealer, but I do have some eye primers that I like to use every once in a while, like switch it up. So this is pretty good to try it out and see how, like, you know, it works. Next is Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, and I have tried this product before and I love it. It leaves my skin super smooth and amazing. So I'm super excited that I got this here, and this brand is pretty expensive, so that's amazing to get it here. And finally, with the Glam Bag, it's a mini quad palette. So let's see, it's from the brand Shella and Bella Beauty Hello Beautiful. It's a blushing rose eyeshadow palette. So it's pretty rose tones and warm tones, perfect for the fall. So check this out. There's 2 matte shades and 2 shimmers, and they look stunning. I love these shades for like every day. Amazing, especially for the fall. This is perfect for that. So now that we're done with the Glam Bag, let's check out the Glam Bag Plus right here. It's a little cute string bag. And it's a different materials like cotton, but the style is the same with the fangs and the lips, so that's great. Next, okay, so they included this cute scarf thing, so I like this. This is really cool. Thank you, Ipsy. Okay, so now let's see the products for the Glam Bag Plus. So this is from the brand Dermalect Cosmetic. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. And this is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. That's a pretty cool name, Self-Esteem Serum. So that's nice. And it's in a pretty red glass bottle with a dropper here. So I like the packaging. Next, we have one of my favorite skincare brands, Murad. And this is a Step 3 Moisture Hydrator Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. Okay, so it's an eye cream from the brand Mira. So let me open to see the packaging. Okay, so it's a pretty decent size. So that's amazing. I have like a lot of products from Mira because I love this brand. So I'm glad I got the eye cream, which I don't have any of them. And next, this is from the brand Buta. And this is the Vitamin C Serum, your daily dose of brightening and antioxidant. There's a lot of serums in this packaging. It's pretty good. Next, it's this is from the brand Theory Body. It's a detoxifying charcoal body scrub exfoliant. Okay, so it's a body scrub. Next, we have from Il Makiage the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I have received Il Makiage before in my boxes, and I think mascara, yes, I received this mascara before, and it's a really good mascara. So I'm glad I got a refill. So next product is from the brand Jega Black Play Pods. It says that it's vegan and cruelty free. And this says that add color to eyes, lips, and cheeks with Play Pods. Be creative, be playful, be you. Okay, so for eyes, lips, and cheeks, okay? So let me see the color because I am intrigued by this. It says Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. Okay, so it's like a gold shimmer. Let's see if I can see right here. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's such a cool texture. I love this. And the color is really, really pretty, especially for now, October. I think this is a nice shade. And to create like different Halloween looks and stuff, I think this is amazing. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, Ipsy, for sending me these great products once again to share with you guys. And thank you guys for watching this video, for still supporting me. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!